Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Cardano video update for Tuesday 5th of July. And there we go, right? So the ascending triangle scenario here was actually there that take place, and it played out, but you didn't really go to the main technical target, which is going to be 4791. So far it seems to me like this is a retest of the place that you really broke out of. Okay, so you went higher, you came down for the retest now, and there's a possibility that you actually go high from there to nearly 4793. So if you do make it to 4793, that would be amazing. I just want to dive into the 1 hour time frame to see how the candlesticks are looking right now. So far it's just a drop, and this retest can also fail and you start to actually drop all the way down to 4338. I don't know why, but something does tell me, I just have this feeling, it's just some sort of a guts feeling, because you do have the apex here. You see that you have a little bit of the apex coming in, and you have a little bit of an empty space there, and this empty space actually means that you can have a fake out as well. So if this fake out does play, then we're talking for Cardano to basically come down here, lose this level, and then further drop down to the level here, and you're going to look this to be a big fake out right there. Not a fake out really, if you look at it that way. You almost met the technical target, and you might even just end here. This could be the end of it, and then you start to actually drop all the way to the downside as well. So keep an eye on it, but nonetheless you're still at the support right now. You haven't lost the support, so we need a bullish candlestick in the next coming 4 hours, I guess. In the next coming 4 hours, if you do get some sort of a reversal candlestick, then it might be a good idea to say that, okay, we're looking to move higher than actually dump into the downside, right? So that's it for this quick update on Cardano. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.